Hi, it's Brooke from DaSilva. Today we're going to be doing a build update. Come with me. We're here at Nairi Ave. Concrete's been poured today and landscaping's just about done. Let's go and check it out. We're here at our Mairoa Ave development where we're just about completed. The fencing's being done now. Landscaping is 80% done. We're here at Seddon Road, our new development building studio apartments. As you can see, the fencing's all done, framing's going up now. We're here at Waikato Residence where we're preparing the site currently for drainage and services, and the next step from here is foundations. We're at Waikato Stage 3. As you can see, all the foundations have been laid and the frames are just about to get ready to be put up this week.